Indian capital market continued its upward bias during the week. Even during the following week, expectation is around a positive bias for the markets. Global markets continues its upward journey, while there are certain concerns regarding the FANG earnings, particularly with Netflix results not being as per the market expectations. However, overall mood continues to remain bullish, and the liquidity sloshing in the market definitely helps. In India, we have seen significant retail participation in the last few weeks. The massive oversubscription of the Rosari Biotech IPO points in that direction. Overall, we believe a combination of foreign investor inflows as well as domestic investor interest is keeping the market bullish. There are certain concerns around the elevated valuations in certain sectors. However, the growth opportunities in the post-COVID world is keeping the market excited. People are looking at FY22 earnings and the growth potential in the next fiscal. At this stage, it will be important to monitor the corporate results which are coming out now. IT companies have by and large come out with a good set of numbers and an excellent prediction for the next few quarters. This definitely gives the market a lot of hope. Multiple other sectors are expected to announce their earnings in the next few weeks, and we believe that the results should be by and large as per market expectation. The good part being market is not expecting anything great, and even a marginal beat will show good results in the market. We continue to believe that FMCG, consumer durables, IT, and certain other pockets in pharma, healthcare do look good. However, one needs to be extremely stock specific considering the levels at which the market is trading at this stage.